Summer temperatures beaconed many travelers in Friuli Venezia Giulia this Wednesday.
I've been here many a time now, but it's always a pleasure.
What have you been up to the last few days?
We went diving down in Croatia. That was a new experience for me. We have a lot of great food. Went to some friends for Easter. Hang out with the family. Yeah, lovely time.
And especially with this change of weather, that it's hard not to enjoy, right?
Yeah, especially coming from northern Germany. It was a nice getaway.
Spritz Aperol, a couple of beers, Barcola, Osmitzas party, and taking the sun mainly.
What's an Osmitza for people who don't know?
It's a really, really small, characteristic restaurants around the hills around Trieste. They mainly sell cut meats and homemade cheese, and every product they sell has to be homemade by them, which makes it really cool.
Rijeka, Fiume.
Yeah, Fiume.
How long have you been here for?
Just today.
Yeah, just today. Yeah, we just arrived in the afternoon. Just walking around. We will do a grocery shop, drinking some aperols or something like this. A little bit of shopping. And that's it. Basically, in an old town or something. Just cruising around and just drinking and eating and just walking. And I think it's really beautiful here. So
Yeah,
you can
especially when
find
it's nice weather like today. It's beautiful.
Yeah, it's really nice.
I've only been here for 2 hours, but it's really beautiful. I really like it.
In the spring, you can just come here, enjoy the sun, enjoy the city, take some good food, bring it here, and just take a break.
We're from Switzerland. Just going on a road trip right now, and that was one of our stops here because we heard about it.